What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if voicemail is not working in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps again tap on this apps option and then tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on show system processes. Now go to the search bar and search for phone app. Open the app and then go to its storage and clear the cache memory of phone app. So to clear this cache memory, tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and after that the voicemail will start working. Now after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset network settings and then again tap on this reset network settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the voicemail issue will be 100% fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and this time tap on software update. Now from here update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the voicemail will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the voicemail not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.